Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to fill save password on your PC in Google Chrome browser. So let's see. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here. Make sure you navigate to settings, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, go to auto fill and passwords, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go to password manager, and it's open up like so. Then from here you have all the password you have saved so far on your PC without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to fill all saved password on your PC in Google Chrome. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.